Good morning, everyone. We're here in the Tremé neighborhood of New Orleans. We are about 3 blocks just outside of the French Quarter, and we're 1 block off of Esplanade Avenue. We are located in the historic Tremé neighborhood, which is a very important neighborhood, rich in architecture and history. This property is unique in the sense that it is new construction. It was built about 6 years ago, and it has great modern building materials that have been used. It's very easy to own and virtually maintenance free. The exterior weatherboards are hardy board materials that are termite resistant. They are fireproof. They also hold paint very well. The architectural style is a Creole cottage with a dormer on the front center of the sloped portion of the roof. We've got gated off-street parking just to the left here. You've got a parking spot outside the gate, and then you also have a second spot behind the gate if you wanted to tuck a car in. And we've got plenty of parking on the street. As we head up the stairs, you'll see we've got a wood door with keyless entry system here, which is really handy. This family uses the home as a second home. As soon as you open the door, you are in a large open living, dining, kitchen space, which is exactly what folks today are looking for. We have a large kitchen that anchors the rear of the room with rich wood cabinets, granite stone countertops, and beautiful glass tile subway backsplash to accent all of this. We've got professional series stainless steel appliances, 5-burner gas range, microwave hood vent, a French drawer refrigerator, and then we have a stainless steel dishwasher and a farm sink just on the opposite end of the kitchen. And very discreetly tucked in the corner, we have a beverage cooler. There is also some storage located just underneath the stairwell. This is really clever because it currently houses the electronics for the house. We've got surround sound and also have some security system features built in, and then there's some extra storage built into this area. You'll see on the interior wall facade of the house, it's all brick. This was done to give the house a sense of history and more of an authentic New Orleans feel. We also have reclaimed wood floors throughout the entire property on the first floor and the second floor. These are beautiful antique wood floors. We've got lots of windows across the front of the building. We have floor-to-ceiling, appropriate style windows. Beautiful, beautiful open space. As we go down towards the back section of the building, to our right, we're going to have a powder room. This is a great place for a guest bath, just right off the living space, tucked in very privately. In the back, we have a primary bedroom suite downstairs, which is so often sought after. This is an oversized room. It currently has a king-size bed with 2 large nightstands, a dresser, large oversized chair, and you've got plenty of room space for more furniture if you wanted to incorporate more furniture in the room. We also are located in the rear of the building, so we have immediate access from the primary bedroom right out back. We'll show you a public access to the rear yard when we head back towards the front. The property is on a 36-foot wide by 117-foot deep lot. So we have plenty of room for a big garden or a pool. Potentially someone could build in mother-in-law quarters or a carriage house if they wanted to in the back of the lot. We have a private ensuite bath with an original clawfoot tub. This is a New Orleans clawfoot tub. And then we have a large walk-in shower They did a custom vanity in the bathroom with 2 vessel sinks on top, which are really beautiful. They look like they're alabaster. It's a very grand New Orleans style bathroom. It's unmistakably New Orleans. We have a large walk-in closet here. And you'll see that we also have the security monitors and the recording device for the camera system. That stays with the property. There is a public access to take your guests and visitors out to the rear yard, and it is a side door that pops out onto a landing and would bring you right to the backyard. So you don't have to go through the rear primary bedroom suite. You have direct public access just off the main living space. As we head upstairs, you'll find that we have 3 separate bedrooms, another full bath, and then the laundry center for the house is situated upstairs on the 2nd floor. The entire property has central heat and air. Again, it's only about 6 years old. It's in excellent move-in ready condition. At the top of the stairs is a bedroom with a barn door. We also have a dormer closet style storage area there. On the 2nd floor across the front of the house, we have a large bedroom that currently has 2 queen-size beds and plenty of floor space left over. We have a large closet here, and then we have 2 additional dormer style closets across the front for this room. The same antique wood floors are used on the 2nd floor, so again, the building feels very original. The 2nd floor laundry center is here with a front load washer and dryer and a mud sink. Our 3rd bedroom on this floor is just in here. This home features 4 private independent bedrooms, 2 full baths, 1 half baths, just over 2,100 square feet, and is offered for sale at $735,000. If you should have any questions about this property, or you might like to arrange a time to tour the property, please feel free to give us a call at 504-231-2004. Chris Smith at 504-231-2004. Thank you so much for watching.